Hey, it's Mike, and I'm visiting Payam Data Recovery's lab in Sydney to show you what happens behind the scenes when they work on a Microsoft Surface laptop that was badly damaged by spilled coffee. It wouldn't turn on anymore. The client had already tried another repair shop that couldn't fix it. Microsoft support couldn't help either, so they recommended Payam Data Recovery. Let me show you how Payam's team got the data back. First, their data recovery engineer started his diagnostic process. When he opened the laptop, he discovered that while the previous shop had cleaned the visible corrosion, they damaged the keyboard flex cable in the process. Using a multimeter and detailed schematics, he tested all the main power relays. He found the 3.3 volt power relay had short-circuited, which led him to a small burned copper trace on the motherboard. With precision, he removed the damaged trace and replaced it with a new one. After testing with a DC power supply, the power system was working again. But the keyboard still didn't work, including the power button. So he used tweezers to manually bridge the power lines, successfully bringing the laptop back to life. The final step was cloning the data, getting the customer's BitLocker encryption key, then delivering all files and folders on a brand new external drive. When the SSD is built into modern laptop motherboards, only data recovery companies like Payam with advanced electronics expertise can help. Smaller shops simply can't handle these complex cases. This case shows how Payam's methodical approach and diagnostic skills succeeded where others failed, turning an impossible repair into complete success. If your laptop needs data recovery, contact Payam Data Recovery for a free assessment and quote.